Guys, why do I emphasize on this sentence? Practice spoken English alone. Practice spoken English alone like I do every day. I am able to speak good English now, but I am not speaking in front of the public. I am not making the videos publicly because we cannot change people's mentality. I have learned a lot. I am able to speak good English. Even then, I don't have the courage to speak publicly because people are very, exotic. People are very dramatic. They are very dramatic. They will just start drama. They will just try to make fun of you if you will speak in front of them. That is the reality. That is the truth. So I am just emphasizing on this sentence: practice spoken English alone. Just go at that place where nobody is coming. If anyone is coming, that must not be disturbing you. That must not be disturbing you. So go at that place and practice every day. Do this only for 1 month. You will see the changes. You will feel a kind of happiness. You will feel that I have seen insane change in my personality. I have seen insane change in my English speaking. As I have seen. Because I was just speaking at home. I was just speaking in my room before when I started learning this language. When I was beginner, I used to speak alone. I used to practice alone in front of the mirror, or I used to make videos. I did not make a lot of videos in starting, but I used to practice a lot. I used to talk in front of the wall. I used to talk myself. That doesn't matter. But how can you talk it? How can you do this practice in your home if you are just fearing, if you are just afraid of your family? Because everyone cannot support in your family member. There are lots of families where no one supports. Especially if I'm talking about the girls, there are lots of families, their parents will not support you. If you will practice speaking English in front of them, they will not support you. But that's why I'm saying just go at that place where no one is disturbing you. There should not be any external factor that is disturbing you, that is making you suffocated, that is making you feel a kind of hesitation. Just speak freely, practice freely. Like I come in my farmland. I am on my farmland. You can see on the screen there is no one. You can watch. There is no one. You can see there is no one. दूर दूर तक कोई भी नहीं है. यदि कोई है भी, if anyone is there, if anyone is here, that is not a disturbing factor for me. That cannot disturb me. They are good person. They are good person. So I am just speaking freely. I am just speaking confidently. I am practicing every day and I am learning. So that is why if I have gotten the results, if I am getting good results every day, I am saying to you that use this step. Use this step. You will definitely have farmland. You will definitely have any alone area in your village where you can go, where you are feeling that I'm safe. Go at that place where you feel in yourself that this is safe area for me, where I can practice freely without hesitating, without having any kinds of external disturbance, without getting afraid. Go at that place and speak. Especially girls and boys too. You guys have to go alone area and practice. Just बड़बड़ाओ जो भी आता है, whatever you are able to think at that time. There is no one who can mess with you. There is no one. Just practice. जो भी मन में है, whatever the things are going on in your mind, just speak out. Just speak out. That is the good way. That is the good way to learn anything. That is the good way to learn a new language. Because at the end you have to speak English. You want to speak English. You want to speak. You just don't want to learn English as a subject. You are learning English because you want to speak publicly, you want to speak confidently. So practice is the main thing. Practice, you will have to practice. You cannot deny practicing. You cannot say that without practice I will learn this language, I will speak confidently. I don't need practice. I am superhuman. I am superhuman. I was born in England, I was born in America, I was born in Western countries. I am speaking confidently. So that will not work. This doesn't work. This will not work. So you will have to practice and follow this method that I have told. Practice speaking English alone. Go at that place where you can speak confidently without getting afraid, without having any kinds of fear, without having any kinds of external disturbance, and speak whatever the things you are able to speak, whatever the sentences are coming in your mind. Just speak. Just speak out them loudly or slowly. But I will recommend that you have to speak loudly, because there is no one who can disturb you. If I am speaking loudly here, no one can disturb me. No one is there. I am speaking whatever I want. जो भी मुझे बोलना है मैं सब बड़बड़ा सकता हूँ, बोल सकता हूँ. कोई भी यहाँ पर नहीं है कि that can make fun of me. So that is why I am saying, if you are practicing English speaking alone, you are going good. You are doing good. You are on the right path. You are on the right path, and believe me guys, if you are following this step, you will learn English very soon. Rather than giving a lot of time and investing a lot of time, you have to speak every day, and you will be able to speak in just 3 months. Very good English you will be able to speak very good English in just few months, in just 3 months, in just 2 months, if you will give enough time every day. So do the things in good manner, in a right manner, in a smart way, rather than giving a lot of time, rather than doing hard work. Hard work will not work every time. Just do smart work. Just यदि आप 20 मिनट ही प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना बाहर जाकर, तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा I will say that is sufficient. That is sufficient. यानी कि वह पर्याप्त है उतना. यदि 20 मिनट भी दे रहे हो आप, rather than 3-4 घंटे देने के बजाय आप 20 मिनट ही दे दो. That is good. Okay, so I think you have got the point. I think you have understood what I am trying to say, what I am advising you. You have got this. So यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना and subscribe to my channel and support me guys. Okay, have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.